x power 5 is equal to 100. Find the value of x. So we have x power 5 is equal to 100 can be written as 10 square. Now multiply by power of 5 in both sides. So multiply by power of 5. Multiply by power of 5. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, we can write here x power 5, then bracket power of x to the power 5, then is equal to here you can apply this formula a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of mn. So according to this formula I can write here 10 power of 2 times 5, that means it will be 10. Now we see x power 5, both term is same. So let x power 5 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y is equal to 10 power of 10. Now here you can apply a rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule you can compare here y will be equal to 10. Now remember that x power 5 is substituted by y, so y, that means it will be x power 5. So y, that means x power 5 is equal to 10. Now we need the value of x, so we multiply by power of 1 by 5 in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by 5, multiply by power of 1 by 5. Now this 5 will be cancelled. So we have x power 1 is same as x is equal to 10 power of 1 by 5 can be written as 5th root of 10. So 5th root of 10, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer. After that, how to simplify 3 power of 27 plus 3 power of 27 plus 3 power of 27 is equal to what? So at first we take common 3 power of 27. So 3 power of 27 is out of the bracket. So this divided by this, that means on, plus this divided by this, that means on, then plus this divided by this, that means on, then bracket close, is equal to 3 power of 27 times 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means it will be 3, then is equal to, here 3 is same as 3 power 1. Now we see 3 same base but different power. So remember this exponential rule that a power m times a power n is equal to a power of m plus n. So according to this rule, you can write here 3 power of 27 plus 1, then is equal to 3 power of 27 plus 1, that means it will be 28. So 3 power of 28, this is our final answer.